Hello friends. Today we are going to begin a book that doesn't just change your mind, but completely transforms the way you think. The name of this book is How to Think Like a Lawyer and Why. Friends, this book does not make you a lawyer, but it gives you the kind of thinking with which lawyers see the world, make decisions, and never allow themselves to become weak in any situation. Today we will understand what it really means to think like a lawyer, the difference between the thinking of ordinary people and lawyers, the power of asking questions, the difference between emotions and logic, and the foundation of thinking on which a strong life is built. What does it really mean to think like a lawyer? Friends, thinking like a lawyer does not mean becoming quarrelsome, arguing about everything, putting others down. Instead, it means not believing everything blindly, understanding right and wrong through logic, not making decisions driven by emotions, recognizing your own rights. Author Kim Wells says, legal thinking teaches us to be influenced not by people's words, but by the truth. Ordinary thinking vs lawyers thinking. How does an ordinary person think? Someone said something, believed it, got carried away by emotions, felt afraid, stayed silent, tolerated everything by saying, let it go. How does a lawyer think? Why was this said? What is the basis of it? Is this a fact or just an opinion? What is the benefit or loss for me? Friends, this difference alone decides defeat or victory. Principle 1. Learn to ask questions. A lawyer's greatest strength is questions. They never believe anything directly. They ask, why? Who said this? For whom was it said? What is the evidence? Truth of life. A person who does not ask questions always lives by other people's decisions. Asking questions is not rudeness, it is intelligence. How to ask the right questions? Wrong question. Why do you always do this to me? Right question. What is the basis of this decision? Friends, the quality of the question decides the quality of the answer. Principle 2. Control your emotions. We are human beings. We cry, get angry, and feel afraid. But a lawyer knows. Emotions don't work in court. Evidence does. Rule of life. If you make decisions based on emotions, wrong people will win. You will regret it later. A calm mind is the strongest weapon. Emotion vs logic. Emotion says, I feel hurt. I am scared. Logic asks, what happened? Why did it happen? What is the best next step? A lawyer always puts logic first. Principle 3. Every story has two sides. Friends, the world is not black and white. Every person has their own compulsions, their own thinking, their own fears. A lawyer asks, why is the other person thinking this way? What reasons do they have? This makes a person wise, not angry. Question yourself. The hardest thing in life is being honest with yourself. A lawyer asks themselves, am I right? Am I biased? Am I driven by emotions? The one who questions themselves moves forward. Principle 4. The power of words. In law, a single word can win a case, lose a case. Words like maybe, necessary, intention. Friends, words are not just sounds, they are weapons. The art of clear thinking. A lawyer always speaks clearly, thinks clearly, does not beat around the bush. Unclear thinking equals weak decisions. Principle 5. Importance of evidence. Today's world is full of rumors, social media, fake news. A lawyer asks, evidence, source, facts. Believing without evidence means harming yourself. Principle 6. Silence is also an answer. It is not necessary to respond to everything. A lawyer knows when to speak, when to stop. Silence is not weakness, it is strategy. Principle 7. Know your rights. Friends, the most exploited people in the world are those who don't know their rights. Rights don't mean only law. They mean the right to respect, the right to express yourself, the right to stand against wrong, the right to say no. A person who doesn't know their rights is easy to suppress. How people manipulate you. People often say, everyone does this. You think too much. You are too sensitive. Friends. These are tools of manipulation. A lawyer understands immediately. This is not a fact, it's pressure. This is not truth, it's control. Where guilt is imposed, questions must be asked. Principle 8. Learn to say no. Many good people break down because they cannot say no. A lawyer knows not every request must be accepted. It is impossible to please everyone. Saying no means protecting yourself. Principle 9. Recognize fear. Fear makes a person silent, submissive, ready to compromise. A lawyer feels fear, but does not let it decide. They ask, what is the worst that can happen? Can I handle it? Fear ends when you face it. Principle 10. Stay neutral. A lawyer judges people not by likes or dislikes, but by facts and logic. Neutral thinking reduces anger and regret, and leads to strong decisions. Principle 11. Identify manipulation. Common manipulation tactics. Creating fear. Making you feel guilty. Constant pressure. Giving incomplete information. Where there is no clarity, there is control. Principle 12. Calmness is the greatest strength. When someone shouts or provokes, a lawyer stays calm, listens, and then responds. Calm people are the hardest to defeat. Principle 13. Take control of your life. A lawyer never says, this just happened to me. It was bad luck. They say, what decision did I make? What can I do better next time? As long as control stays outside, suffering continues. Victim mindset vs lawyer mindset. Victim mindset. Complaints. Blaming others. Lawyer mindset. Analysis. Responsibility. Solutions. Principle 14. Boundaries in relationships. Most relationships don't break due to lack of love, but due to lack of boundaries. Boundaries don't create distance, they create respect. Principle 15. How to view failure. A lawyer doesn't win every case, but they always learn. Failure is not defeat, it is feedback. Principle 16. Exit emotional manipulation. Not everyone deserves access to you. Distance, clarity, and firm decisions are necessary. Principle 17. Peace is real power. A lawyer speaks where needed, and stays silent where not. Peace brings clarity. Principle 18. Let go at the right time. Not every battle is worth fighting. Letting go is wisdom, not defeat. Friends, this book does not teach how to defeat others, but how to protect yourself from becoming weak. Change your thinking, and your life will change. Thanks, friends. Believe in yourself, because strong thinking creates a strong future.